Hello everyone, this is my project of e-commerce API in which I am just adding the products, deleting them, and I can update the quantity of the product. So let me show you how can I do it. So this is my Postman API, and if you just if you want to see all the products in the app, if you just send it, and there is no product right now. So and this is the app where I have just hosted this app. So let me create some. I have already just added the URL which will, so let me add the URL which will be needed. So I'm just hitting the create request, which is post. So let me say I have to add just 10 mobile units, and if I just send the request, then it will send the back that this is added. And let's suppose I added one or two more, just like camera. I need 5 units for this, and it will be added here, like camera is added with the 5 minutes. And if I just now get the request of the to get all the products, then I can get the request like see mobile is first, camera is second with a quantity 5 and 10. And let's suppose if I want to just update the quantity, so here I can just pass the number with which I have to update. Like here I want to update with 30, and I want to update for camera which is product ready 2. And if I send it, then it will send the updated, like is updated. And if I want to delete the some ID, then I can just hit 2, which is the params I am sending. And if I just send it, then the post deleted successfully. And if I just again try to delete it, then it will not delete because it will say post ID not found, because there is no such ID with this name. Let me go to the controller, and controller, as you can see, I have just one model, two models for product to add the ID name quantity. And for ID to be 1 2 3, I have just used another model which is the counter, which will add the counter in the sequence, which will increase the sequence one by one as the product is added to the quantity. And has the product controller for the create. And like you can see, to get all the products, I'm just fetching all the products and just responding and just showing it the products, list of products is here. And and to create the product, I'm just first checking if the counter is null, matlab checking if the length is 1. If this is, if the project is exist already, if not exist, if exist already, if it's null, then I'm saying the product already exists and I cannot add it. And else I'm just checking if the counter is 1. That means I want to increase this, and I'm calling the function user.id to increase the id by 1. I'm just creating it here and just sending the response from the here. And here's the delete, which I'm just params, like I have shown you how to delete it. And here's the update quantity. uh, so and here's my routes, which is index and products. And yeah, that's it. Thank you.